The next section is on arithmetic sequences. And an arithmetic sequence is a special type of sequence where the same number is being added each time to get the next term. And this number is called the common difference. And it's denoted with the letter D. So the first four terms of a sequence are given. Can these terms be the terms of an arithmetic sequence? If so, find the common difference. Okay, so to get from 11 to 17, we add 6. To get from 17 to 23, we add 6. To get from 23 to 29, we add 6. So yes, the same thing is being added each time to get to the next term. So yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. And D would be equal to 6. With number 2, we add 7 to get from 12 to 19. Then we subtract 5 to get from 19 to 14. Then we add 2. So we are not adding the same thing every time. So no, this is not an arithmetic sequence.